What if I told you that social media, something we use daily, could be both our best friend and our worst enemy? Welcome to the paradox that is social media. We're living in a world where our lives are intricately woven with platforms that allow us to connect, share, and express. Yet these very platforms also expose us to a barrage of information, opinions, and sometimes the darker side of human nature. Social media is like a double-edged sword. It's our window to the world, our platform for self-expression, our tool for connecting with others. But it can also be a source of misinformation, a breeding ground for negativity, and a catalyst for feelings of inadequacy. In the grand scheme of things, social media is neither wholly good nor entirely bad. It's a complex landscape that holds both promise and peril. So let's dive deeper and explore the positive and negative impacts of social media. Picture a world where everyone is just a click away, where knowledge, experiences, and stories are shared in an instant. Welcome to the positive side of social media. Yes, the digital age has brought us closer than ever before, turning the vast expanse of our world into a global village. Social media bridges the gap between individuals, communities, even countries. It's like having the world at your fingertips, allowing us to build connections, foster relationships, and engage with people from all walks of life. But it's not just about connection. Social media is an information powerhouse. It's our news source, our encyclopedia, our weather forecaster, and our entertainment hub. It's where we discover, learn, and grow. From learning a new language to understanding quantum physics, social media platforms are treasure troves of knowledge. And let's not forget the power of social media to galvanize social causes. It's a platform that amplifies voices, fosters dialogue, and promotes action. Think of the Ice Bucket Challenge that raised awareness for ALS, or the viral spread of the hashtag #BlackLivesMatter that sparked global conversations on racial justice. These are but a few examples of how social media can be a force for good. Indeed, social media has the power to connect us, inform us, and move us. But as with all good things, there is a flip side. Now, imagine a world where misinformation spreads like wildfire, where privacy is a luxury, and where comparison is the norm. Welcome to the negative side of social media. Firstly, let's tackle misinformation. It's like a game of Chinese whispers on steroids. One person posts a piece of misleading news, and in the blink of an eye, it's shared, reposted, and retweeted 1,000 times over. This rapid dissemination of false information can lead to mass confusion, even affecting real-world events, from elections to public health crises. Next up, privacy concerns. In the digital age, data is the new gold, and social media platforms are the new gold miners. Every like, share, and follow feeds into a vast database, creating a detailed profile of who you are, what you like, and even what you might do next. This data can be used for targeted advertising, but also potentially for more nefarious purposes. Finally, we come to the comparison culture. Social media has become a highlight reel of people's lives, where everyone seems to be on an endless vacation, or landing dream jobs, or just looking flawless. It's easy to feel inadequate when you're constantly comparing your behind the scenes with everyone else's highlight reel. This can lead to feelings of insecurity, anxiety, and depression. Clearly, while social media can connect us, it can also divide us, mislead us, and make us feel inadequate. So, where does that leave us? In this world of endless scrolling and constant notifications, how do we strike a balance? Let's circle back to the main points we've discussed. Social media, with all its pros and cons, is an integral part of our lives. It connects us, informs us, and can even inspire us. But it can also overwhelm us, mislead us, and sometimes make us feel inadequate. The secret to maintaining a healthy relationship with social media lies in setting boundaries. Limit the time you spend scrolling, be selective with who and what you follow. Remember to fact-check information before sharing, to curb the spread of misinformation. And most importantly, practice self-compassion. Don't compare your life to the highlight reels of others. In the end, social media is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. So use it wisely and remember, you control social media, it doesn't control you.